empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.
All right, guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another Sunday Fun Day with Tenacious Dudley. It is February the 20th, 2022. What are you doing with yourself? What are you doing with your future? Are you still dreaming? Are you still thinking about, I want to do this in the future? The time is now. Time is to do that now. It's to be limitless and unstoppable now in this lifetime, because tomorrow is not promised. COVID has people dropping like flies left and right. So being too cautious, I'm telling you guys, being too cautious is the greatest risk of all. Make your dreams reality now. Time is the number one currency. Use it now. Without commitment, you will never start. More importantly, without consistency, you will never finish. Do more in this life now. Welcome back to Building for Generations, where we are here and present and alive on our journey to 3,000 strong, limitless business leaders who will remain unstoppable in building wealth for themselves and their families. So welcome back to our channel. I'm glad you guys are here. So our journey at DAS, so Dudley Accounting Services, our journey to specialization is here in 2022. We are specializing in solving complex problems for real estate professionals who spend most of their time and energy in multifamily investment properties. So that's what we are streamlining our focus and delivering the best financial services and the ultimate tax plan for real estate professionals. So welcome you Tenacious Badasses back to our channel. Today, our focus is the 100% bonus depreciation. So 2022 is our last year to use the 100% bonus depreciation. So I'm going to go ahead and open up my screen here to my slideshows so you guys can see a little description on this, and I'm going to break it down for you guys the best way I can. So let's go into Bob here. So we got an ultimate tax plan here, and we have a multitude of tax strategies, deductions and credits that we are going to dive into. But today we're going to dive into bonus depreciation and get that on the way. So say if you have a rental property that is worth $100,000. Now you have to place that rental property in service. That rental property has to be placed in service after September 27th, 2017 and before December 31st, 2022. So you got pretty much this whole year to place that bad boy in service so you can take advantage of the bonus depreciation. So let's break it down in a simple example. Okay, y'all still can hear me. Cool, let me break it down in an example for you guys. So you had $100,000 rental property, and the building value is $100,000. Typically, we take real estate, residential real estate, and we depreciate it over a useful life of 27 and a half years. In this case, we take the $100,000 and we depreciate that over 27 and a half years, which spits out to us a depreciation expense of $3,636. So that's what we can say as a depreciation expense if we just use the basic straight line method, versus if we use the bonus depreciation. With bonus depreciation, we go out and we hire a professional to do a cost segregation study, or we can, get somebody to help us out, or we can do it ourselves, and we can reclassify certain items within your home that are for personal property and land improvements. Now, in this example, we identified 20% of the home's value has been reclassified as personal property or land improvements. So we take 20% of 100,000. Now we have a new building value of $80,000. So that $80,000 new building value will now be depreciated over the useful life of 27 and a half years, still giving us a $2,909 depreciation for the year. But the 20% that we reclassified as personal property and land improvements, these are items such as these items can be have a 5-year useful life. They can have a 7-year useful life, and they can also have a 15-year useful life. But the key is to use bonus depreciation. These items have to be under 20 years under 20 years of useful life. All of these reclassified personal property improvements are under 20 years, so we get to use 100% of the depreciation for these items. So, like we said, we took the $80,000 new building value after we took away the 20% that was reclassified, and then the 20% that we reclassified is 20 grand that is reclassified. So we take the 20 grand that was reclassified we take it straight up in layman's terms. So we take the 20 grand plus the new annual depreciation that we have, and now we are sitting at a total of $22,909 versus our $3,636. So this is the power of real estate, the power of depreciation. The key and the amazing thing about real estate, and me being a real estate investor myself, is our cash flow. Cash flow is king, and we don't want to pay taxes on our cash flow. We want to keep making cash flow, and we want to have the velocity of money working for us. Depreciation allows us to do this. So definitely take advantage of the 100% bonus depreciation. This is the last year to take 100% bonus depreciation. As you can see in the chart here, the bonus depreciation, a percentage, it phases out over time. Being the last year is 2026, where it won't be any bonus depreciation. So definitely take advantage of this now while you still can. Let me go ahead and go back to my pretty face here. But take advantage of this, guys. I am here if you guys need help setting up your properties and find out where you guys are at. So I'm gonna go ahead and put up my website here, my webpage for you guys to take a look. Go ahead and visit us at DudleyAccountingServices.com. Again, it's DudleyAccountingServices.com. You guys can use the good old QR code. Let's see. I'm gonna do it right. The QR code here, you can take out your phone and you can scan this QR code because I'm fancy now, and our website will pop up for you guys. But on our website, we have a chance for you guys to go ahead and book a free 10 and 15 minute discovery call. And this is kind of where we gauge alignment to see if we're seeing if we can add value to your situation, see if we're good to work with each other. And then we go forward from there. We also, and we really stress this for a lot of real estate professionals or real estate investors, you need a tax plan. Right now is tax season. Again, it is February 20th. So you want to get a tax plan that's in your favor. So reach out to us for that. We are building the ultimate tax plan for you guys that's tailored to your situation. So reach out to us for that, and we'll get you set up. Our biggest thing and our biggest, I would say, hurdle with clients is getting you guys to get completed financial statements, get an income statement, balance sheet, and just the basic stuff, so you guys can see your financial statement, so you guys can actually do planning. So it's important that you go ahead and get a QuickBooks Pro advisor in your corner that knows what they're doing and can set you up on QuickBooks. We use QuickBooks to set our clients up and set them up with a profit and loss statement, balance sheet, and a completed financial statement, so they can know where they're going, and they also can time in a timely manner. So go ahead and check out our website at Dudley Accounting Service. I got a couple videos on there about how to secure the FHA loan, because we want everybody to own real estate and be real estate professionals. So definitely hit us up at Dudley Accounting Services.com. And lastly, I got a couple of books that I bought. The 4-Hour Work Week is a book. I'm always going the wrong side. The 4-Hour Work Week by Tim Ferriss is a book that will definitely set my mindset up for success, being that it's a lot of things that we need to do in this life. And if you're strategic enough, you can complete stuff and only work 4 hours a week. And it is kind of hard to do, but those 4 hours, you're busting your ass. But this book lays out most of the opportunities for you to streamline your work method and how you do things with starting up a business or interacting with people, keeping relationships. Then you got the good old Rich Dad Poor Dad, which is a book that I highly recommend that you guys check out. Then you have the Guide to Investing up here. I haven't read that book yet, but I'm eager to read it. Then we have the Best Ever Apartment Syndication book that I'm halfway through and I'm reading too. But I'm most excited. I pulled this down for you guys for the four disciplines of execution. So definitely you guys can see that. So this book is definitely going to be read first, and definitely want to, share, what's going on with me, going on with what I'm reading, what I'm into, remaining unstoppable, hitting the gym tomorrow on Monday, and I'm going to unleash the freaking tenacious freaking badass in me. So you guys remain unstoppable. You tenacious badass. I'll see you next week. Peace.